It's a timer. He's got his back to us. Let's turn him back this way. Hello, Mr. Pig. You helped Frank do his dinner? Yes. Are you smiling? Ah! Everywhere but.
Come on, over here.
I want to give you a kiss. Kiss?
Don't keep on, Jim, because I'm not in any mood.
Piggy wants to give you a nice kiss.
Yeah, Piggy give my fucking in the bin.
Miley, you're not having it. No, it's Piggy. Kiss. Thank you. Oh. The timer. Oh, the timer.
Molo. How is it?
Hello. Mwah!
Come on, how's this fucking monkey?
That's so you don't overcook your food. What are you doing? Smoking kills.
How's the way? Come on. Yeah.
Is it Mr. Piggy? Yes. Where is it? Show Mummy. Where is it? What? Where is it? Ah. Thank you. Thank you. We're waiting for the timer, Mr. Frank. I'm going to pause it now until it goes off. Okay. It should be going ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-ling. Tick, tock. Tick, tock. I'm sorry. It's not going off. It's gone quiet. Where's the ding-a-ling-a-ling? Frank, what did you do to it? It's died. It's gone quiet. Frank. Frank. Why is it stuck? What did you do? You got out your super glue again. Why isn't it ringing? Because you're doped up. That's a joke. That's just tobacco. That's one more. And another one. Oh, you're not making more. Milo. It's Mr. Frank Crackers. Yes? Okay. It's Mummy Crackers. Yes? Yes?